This new baby? Who's this new baby? Oh my goodness. Look at this creature. Look at this little baby. Who are you? I've never met you before. Baby. Yeah. Oh, but you like me. You have a little mustache. Little. Oh, that's a happy tortie. That's a happy tortie. Nice to meet you too. Yeah. Oh. Hi, turtles. Hi. Oh. Oh, bald belly.
When are you taking the orange boy home?
I'd love to take him on the 11th.
Yeah.
Should I just go ahead and make his last deal? Should I just go ahead and make an appointment?
Yeah.
Because I looked at the upcoming weeks and so I will meet her. So she said, okay, I'm available these days.
Well, hello, Maximus. Hi. You gonna just eat the food like that? No. You need help? Here you go. He's just trying to get to the food. It's okay. He's not even looking at you. You're safe. Oh, here comes Hara. Everyone's waking up now. He's not even looking at you. He's not even. Oh, now he is. It's okay. He's gone. He left. Oh my goodness. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay. You're silly. Oh, hi, Hara. Are you trying to climb on me? I don't think you want to come up here. You're going to get hissed at too. Yeah, it's a spicy tortie. That's a spicy tortie.
He obviously knows what the treat bag is.
You got food on your face.
I wonder if Cindy ever gave him treats, because I tried that in ISO. When he was
Being
having
inspected.
trouble eating, I shook a bag to the last time.
Oh, there's nobody even here right now. You know you like it. I can feel you purring.
Yeah, I think she said she was gonna finish.
You're silly. You're a silly tortie. You are a silly tortie.
And he'll usually come down once you start talking to him too.
You want me to leave you alone? Yeah. What? They're all the way across the room. Oh, that was a bird? See, you like that. Yeah, that's what I thought. You don't have to be so scared of the new babies. Uh-oh. Hi, Hara. You come up here and you're going to get hissed at. Hi. It's okay, Hara. You're so pretty. Oh, the spice. It's okay. Do I smell like her? Yeah, see? Look at that. You're fine. Hi. I'm being sniffed. Hi, Hara. Right in my face. See, there we go. She's not looking at you. She's sniffing my face. Hi. Do you need me to move her? Do you want me to move her? I'm gonna have to get used to her, you know. She's just sitting. She's just sniffing. Yeah. Yeah. See, look. It's okay, turtles. She's just sitting there. She's just, yeah. Hi, Hara. She's so nice. Okay. She's your friend. She's very nice. She is nice. Oh, there she goes. You feel better? Yeah. You feel better? Oh, that's a happy tortie. Where's our happy body? There's no. They're just using the litter box. They gotta do that. They can't hold it forever, you know. It's okay. You're okay, Dorts. Yeah. Why are you hissing? He's just pooping. I don't want to be right here. I don't want to be this close. No.